Hello and welcome to Anu's AI Turns and Tutorials. In today's video, we are starting our Python programming journey, perfect for beginners. Okay, we will first see how to install Python on your computer and then we will learn our very first command about print statements. So, let's get started with installation process of Python. Okay, first to install Python, go to python.org. Okay, I provide the link in the description. Please click the link, copy the link and paste in the browser. Press enter. It's running. Okay, there is a downloading option. Select your OS and click downloading. After this completion, make the process. Download the latest version. Then run the installer. Make sure to check the box that says add Python to path. Then click installation. After installation, open the command prompt. Wait, this installation will complete. Okay. Next, make the installation process. After completion of installation process, open the command prompt cmd to check it whether it is installed or not. Okay, type Python version. Press enter. Okay, congrats. The Python has been installed successfully. It can be run in other platforms like PyCharm, Jupyter, and VS Code also. We can use anything we need. Okay, now we can do our first program with print statement. It is the print function prints the specified message to the screen or other standard output device. It is used for output. Okay, print. We can print in my name. Okay, simply press enter. Sorry, this is syntax error. We get output as Anu. This is how we want to use our print statement. So we can see about more details in about print tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned with Anu's AI Turns and Tutorials. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos. Okay, bye-bye.